Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan hima.
Ka Rotary Orchid haringkat ka jingas nok tilang bat ka KHADC, ka Meghalaya Farmers Empowerment Commission, ka Rotary Club of Shillong, District Horticulture Office, bat ka Kur Kharbuli, kalayo bantung hadu sanspa atli kitan riding sopho khasi ha ayom ksiar kabadan ha sok rengkang. Hagani kasngilawan banadan rengkat lang do CEM ke KHADC ba penyait sing CEM Manas Chowdhury ubade menteri barim ke sarkar jela harengkat kiwai pat kinong elam ke Rotary Club ki kena school kinong elam sinong bat kireu pat ba nakalyong CEM haba ajing kran ngi kasngi uloong baka soren kam kalong ka sinong ka papakatam mantung yi kijing tung ki babon jan bat lingba kani ka jing tung yi kini kitan riding so pho khasi kalong ka jing sedang bat nang ni syakman an sa thungru sa syakiwai pat ki jaka lingba ka jing trailang bat ki wai pat ki kinhon hagaju ko por CEM ula ajing mut ya ka Rotary baka deru ban le ai ban te lakam ya ka jing jabo jong ki ki wa kam tam ya kawa ngot bat kawa ken kibade ki wa kibadan hagani ka sinong
First tree planted.
I think we should give any water.
Here.
Yes, Oh yes.
Namar kum personally yang chimet ngalak dan hang ni po sorang kam Morgan constituency for almost 10 years. Dia ngalak rung ngalak mi bah kishnong ki baret ki bahe ki caka ba pher ngilap ketika kishnong ke constituency ke bapiang bah balong favorable bah ke climate let's say for farming. Ladang ini fruit farming, lani agriculture farming, whatever, lani what ini livestock. But recently we just inaugurated this one livestock from veterinary hospital here in Sorengkham to help these farmers around. Te nakaliang jungi ngi sutu ba kibabun hi ki nong snong hani constituency jungi kide ki badang kershan yaladi dakarep. Te kaya ka ba penlong yang shimet ban yo mensem ban long encourage motivated hadin ba menshim snem nga shakhot hapo Delhi fikir mau iba solia haka International Wine Expo Delhi but ngi kendu ya babun ba ki embassies na kiwe beki ri akan mau ngi kendu French ambassador but haka taka je kendu ka jungi hadin ba naka Government of Meghalaya Farmers Commission ki la pen ya ki wine ni ki unso wine ki ba la shna de ki entrepreneurs ki jongi nang ni po Meghalaya but khamtam ya so lang akan mau uni uso phasi wild apple but so yom but ngakan mau sa to French ambassador I really like ni wild apple wine mah na po Meghalaya te kani ka pen kendit lada kibriu na ki pat kiri kisutu ya ka jing long terbang ya ka jaka juni bagila ban pimi ya ka di fruit wines dekat nu kan long ka jing erap na kam tagi nong so nong ki nong rap na dangila ban hikai ya ki ban peni ka lenti ya ki te nomor ta daw masin fu ni ba solia nga hajing mut yang syong bit to ngin ya bi syakmat ngin le kani bat longkat balong ngin sedang nomor ondala sedang kiwe kin sanang ya ban ya put te kata ka ba penlong ini ba nginyo penekren be ikong ayom ser Kharbuli ibadan ye kini kacaka ka bahe bat maso ban ai bleker pang i lok jui i ba kenjai dan syong stadian khamtam i kpa jeng iru ngai i hantai i ba kruwar reshi pun i ba kruwar de shi perlok simen sem ha ba i pa jungi te i dan lang pleshi pun so komen i mentas ngiru kunjo te ngangit skem ba kani ka jing sedang jungi ban thung ye kini kisan spa kini kitin rai din so pho khasi kan datang ka jing sedang kan empat de ka jing kut nang ni khmat ngin saya skiwi wiki cakat but kermen skem ba kat kum ka land holding system ka ngidon ki caka private land ngidon ki clan land kum jong i 38 mentah ni nang tangi don ki community land ki right land te bat ki jaka jong ki hima te kum ki niru ngit persyang bani trailang ba ka farmers commission Rotary Club ki babon ba kilong baran land where we need to plant some trees, either fruit trees or any other trees, which will benefit in both ways, to uplift the livelihood of our people, and also for us to get a good environment. Kata ka ba ni so ba ni don kam, da ka ba ni thung dieng hajaka ka ba mdon dieng ka ba selen ki klau kini kilom, tele se kan yarap ingi om tang bangin yo ajing mentoy. Nakaba niyo dia kiso Henry wat ru kajing mentoy yangi ya kal air ka ba kuit bangin rin musim te khamtam ki khna school ki don ne okay sorang ham secondary but kini sia Presbyterian te kublishibun te ngets kem kajing don jam fisia ki schools children students kan yarap shushu papi la longkum ka practical class mentas ngi FUPE nungi thung dieng ngi tai kan long chi hikai pi ma te ngets kem kan ni rupin bu ajimut khat jampi kum ki khna ba pin ken mau ba pin sumar ya ka maria te kham tam ru ndai ban brat iki plastik kini kitai sha kat chabalam kan ni rukan pen sneu hai ki wa kijungi for your information Sir Manas this Soronkam has 2 water bodies which is very popular. On my right side there's the Wa Umngot, and the other side we have the Wa Umken. So these water bodies really contributed a lot to the farmers all the way along to downstream. So actually we need to do something how to protect these water bodies also in future. So this is really my dream, my goal, that we should do something, because really people they need in future also to preserve these water bodies, because for their livelihood and for this thing environment and all. We had discussion with Kong Pat also regarding how to preserve these water bodies. So a lot we need to do from district council. Of course we have very limited resources, but still we have to try to protect our water bodies here in Meghalaya.
Farmers Improvement Commission kabal ay kalat ya kaban pli lat pelti bantung ya kini gideng sobo kasi hakari ke jaga chong kong aniyom chong ini kong anika ayong ser kharbuli tengai skam langba kani ke jingtung ya kini ki ding sobo kasi kani ke we kalan nabanta karukom hakarep karyang kasnong Soronkam galong ko bahe bat ki babun hang ni kilong inong rem ngais kam langba kane ka jingsdang hakani ka jaka ka jong igong kharbuli ngais kam lang ba ki nong song snong kinyo i bat kilaru banang pertubut hakis ngi ba ki por banwan kublai sibun ya gini kibla penbit pembiang ya kani program bat banle ya kani ka symbolic tree plantation kamut kadi ka jingmentoy na banta ki try cho kadi kajaka bat kham tam ru kadi ki strong bat kajing kad nuksa babha nam ta ki nong shisnong ban pen ya kajing bet jingbiang bat kajing sedang bah kisngi ke ban ba kajing sedang nam ta kadi por bat kham tam gila ban bud hakisngi ke ban sawan.
This is the first time we have come to Soronkam, and thanks to the horticulture department, our friends, and I suppose a lot of credit also should go to the young and dynamic chief executive member of the district council. You know, all my life I have seen very old people holding office of CEM. I am yet to see such a young, dynamic person occupying such an important position. So that shows the dynamism of the place, and we are happy that we are able to, Rotary and the district council have been able to join hands in this little project. Rotary is an international organization. But let me not go into the international part. In Shillong, what do we do, or what we have achieved so far? We have been helping the community here. If you see the Wells Mission Hospital, most of the major programs, expansion, modernization, Rotary has helped. We have helped the Nazareth Hospital. We are helping all the health sector people wherever we can. We are also doing in the field of education in schools. We are helping the children where there is no drinking water. We are giving the kids, making their classrooms lively and interesting. We are giving the infrastructure support. This is all done not because of any foreign money or bank assistance. It is being done by Rotarians themselves who spend their own money. Not for themselves, but for others. Rotary believes in service above self, and this is exactly what we are doing here this morning. When we are planting these little saplings today, many of us will not be there to see the fruit. But there are some young people, I can see in them, we see the hope that they will reap the benefit of the fruits that will be grown in the orchard, Rotary Orchard. It's a small project, and I want to tell our friends in horticulture that we, Rotary Club, will be too happy to join hands with you in any other area you want us to give you assistance. If there is manpower needed, even if you need manpower, volunteering, we are there to help you. Please, this is an open offer we are giving. So on behalf of Rotary Club of Shillong and on my behalf, I thank the Shillong and the organizers for giving us this opportunity to be with you and to be of little help. We hope it will make a small benefit, small change. It will be our extreme pleasure when we see the difference.